Hello everyone, this is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager, and these are the release notes for GrabCAD Print 1.34. Preview surfaces that require support for FDM printers. Using the toggle in the view bar labeled Preview Supported Surfaces, you can quickly see where supports will be generated on your models. This feature was introduced for PolyJet printers in 1.24 and is now available for FDM printers too. This provides a faster alternative to FDM Slice Preview to aid in preparing your tray, and as it shows how orientation and support settings such as self-supporting ankles will affect the surfaces of your print. Tutorials and example files for FDM and PolyJet. You can now access GrabCAD tutorials and example files in the Help menu of GrabCAD Print related to your selected printer. Our application engineers are constantly adding new content to help you better utilize your machines. The content will be available via the Help menu. Advanced Slicer for a J750 and J735. The PolyJet Advanced Slicer introduced as an option in 1.31 is now on by default. It has improved accuracy in estimations and enables a few features which are listed here. It can be turned off from Preferences, then the PolyJet tab if you need to use the old slicer for any reason. Scheduling enhancements for PolyJet prints. When you are viewing a PolyJet job in progress in Schedule View or in the GrabCAD Print mobile app, the predicted end time now has greatly improved accuracy. The prediction will be regularly updated throughout the job to account for print pauses and other errors in the initial estimation. Slice delay setting for PolyJet printers. Checking the option will reduce the occurrence of depressions on the model. The option should be used only after talking to Stratasys technical support. Using the option will increase the job's printing time. Support material now displayed in PolyJet Tray Settings panel. The list of materials shown in the Tray Settings panel for PolyJet printers now includes the support material. Notifications and updates relevant to your printer. GrabCAD Print will now notify you about updates for select printers like the F123 series and J750. These may include information on new materials, learning content, and others. When one of these printers is selected and an update is available, you will see a gift box in the bottom left of your screen. And that is all what we have for you in GrabCAD Print 1.34. My name is Kesa, GrabCAD Community Manager. Thank you so much for watching.